Introducing the new DEWALT Job Site Table Saw. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, the saw is designed to be easily transported. The saw has a rip capacity of 32.5 inches to the right side of the blade, provided by a patented rack and pinion telescoping rail system, which allows you to cut larger material compared to previous DEWALT table saws without sacrificing portability. The design also provides convenient onboard storage for accessories, making them easily accessible. The modular guard design makes installation of the guarding components quick and easy. DEWALT has also designed a new roll cage frame to withstand tough job site conditions, which demand DEWALT durability. The DEWALT DWE7491RS provides workshop capacity and job site power to meet the user's needs.
Here's a quick look at the table saw with the extensions fully extended. On the front of the saw, you can see we have our off and on switch right here. We also have our blade adjustment and our bevel adjustment from 0 degrees all the way up to 45 degrees. On the back of the saw, you can see we have a dust extraction nozzle, so we went ahead and stuck just your standard shop vac hose right into the back of the saw. On this side of the table saw, you can see we have built-in tool storage. On the top of the saw, you can see we have our angle guide right here that we can slide and push along. And then we can loosen up on the handle and we can adjust the angle accordingly from 0 degrees all the way to 45 degrees on either side, depending on what we're trying to cut. Then you can see we have our nice blade cover and protector right there. And we have our parallel guide on this side that's very easy to loosen, move, and then reattach in place.
You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense. Till FLEXVOLT, a new line of DEWALT cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. And our new powerful 60-volt brushless motor that can rip through materials you commonly use. Along with the features you expect from DEWALT, like an accurate rack and pinion fence with a full 24-inch rip capacity. And since it's a cordless tool, you're never chained to a cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done, and a battery that adds runtime to existing DEWALT 20-volt max tools. All part of the most advanced cordless system we've ever created. FLEXVOLT, power of corded, freedom of cordless, built, guaranteed tough. by DEWALT.